Hello! In the last videos, we talked about low-budget marketing tools such as webinar, email marketing, and social media. I hope it was useful for you, and please let me know if you already reconsidered using those tools in your daily collaboration. And if you still want to do some more active actions, then you might be considering to participate at the national fairs or luxury workshops. So today we are going to talk about this. Apart from national exhibition, there are that take place every spring and autumn. In Ukraine and Russia, there are two luxury workshops held here. For example, as for the national exhibition in Ukraine, we have UITT in the spring and UITM in the autumn. For Russia, MITT for the spring and Oddych for the autumn. Get individual stand at the such national fairs are quite costly, so you might still consider to do it once in your lifetime, and perhaps it will be useful for you to contact your tourism board and check if they are going to represent destination so you can take your stand at the fair rate. Should it be effective? I would say not that much. Usually the interesting partners won't pop up at these kind of fairs, so it's difficult to get touch the decision makers during such event unless you set the appointment with them earlier. Of course, you will use a lot of collaterals which will be given to the usual customer who often attend these kind of fairs. And there are two luxury workshops that are held in Ukraine and Russia. That is Luxury Travel Mart and the Lux Travel Market. At these kind of workshops, I suggest you to take participation every 3 to 5 years. Why not every year? First of all is that you might be there for two reasons. First reason is that just to get their beautiful database and to meet some partners that are from other regions or other cities. At the same time, it's a certain status positioning that your company, your DMC or hotel is on certain level. Being there every year is just getting the same database which you already work on, and these kind of fairs are quite expensive as well. And at the same time, their time schedule is so rushed that you will not be able to discuss some confidential or exclusive conditions or collaboration with each of these partners. So to summarize, the participation at the fairs or workshop will be good for the beginning to show your intention at the certain market to get some contacts, but at the same time it's quite expensive, and in my point of view it's better to focus maybe more on sales calls, about which we are going to talk in the next video. And by the way, NLM has created a very handy list of all the fairs and workshops for Russia and Ukraine markets. So if you're interested to get that list for this or next year, you can just watch the next video. And if you want to share with me your ideas of participation for the fairs in this year or next year, or if you already had such experience in the past, please share with me how effective it was for you. Was it very helpful for your business? I will be interested to hear, and at the same time remember that NLM is always here to help you with organization your presence at the fair, or even to represent your company, your DMC or hotel on the behalf of you. So if you still have questions, please do not hesitate to write me in the contacts below, and see you in the next video. Open up new boundaries.